Style number 1 is a spiral knot. I use 4 pieces of cord of one color and 2 pieces of cord of a contrasting color. Make the first half of a square knot with the contrasting colored cord. Make sure you make it over all 4 of the inner cords. And just repeat that step over and over again. Make sure you keep starting on the same side. I found a swivel hook on Amazon that I use to tie plant hangers with. That way you can just keep spinning the plant hanger around without having to take it off and adjust it. You can make your spiral knot as long or as short as you want. Style number 2 is just simple square knots. Same thing, I do 4 cords of one color and 2 of a contrasting color. Make a square knot with the contrasting cord over all the other cords. I usually do about 4 or 5 square knots.